Thank you, Bill. Now to a story that's quite reflective of our current times. Lawyers arguing over whether an illegal immigrant can get a marriage license in Ottawa County.
A similar suit's filed in Kent County. Both of these lawsuits claiming rules saying that you have to have a social security number to get a marriage license are illegal.
24-Hour News 8's Danny Carlson joining us now in studio. And Danny, you've been looking over the details of this one all day.
That's right, Brian and Susie. This is actually the form that you need to fill out in Ottawa County to apply for a marriage license. It has some pretty simple questions, things like name and birth date, but there's one line near the bottom of the page asking for a social security number, and that's led to today's class action lawsuit filing.
We believe that the rights of our clients have been violated and they need to be vindicated.
Ricardo Meza says that vindication will only come when legal status does not determine marital status.
One of the rights that all persons have in the U.S. is the right to get married.
He's a member of the Mexican-American Legal Defense and Educational Fund, one of the groups who brought a lawsuit against Ottawa County Clerk Daniel Kruger. The suit, filed on behalf of anonymous clients Juan and Juana Doe, claims that not allowing the pair to marry because one of them does not have a social security number and may not be in the country legally is discriminatory.
I can't imagine that the founding fathers were thinking that a social security number or some sort of national ID would be necessary for individuals to get married.
But the problem, says law professor Kurt Benson, is there's nothing written definitively either way about the issue.
All of this arises from Congress's utter and complete failure to come up with a comprehensive, coherent immigration policy.
He tells 24-Hour News 8 he expects to see many more similar suits and anticipates this one will be decided by how the courts interpret acceptable exemptions to providing a social security number. Right now, those applying for licenses without them are exempt if they don't have one for religious or other outlined reasons, none of which are being an illegal immigrant.
It is a close call, and it's going to require some federal judge, frankly, to sort it out.
And the attorneys representing Juan and Juana Doe say if that judge doesn't decide their way,
if we lose, well, then there's appeals. And we'll take it to the Supreme Court if we have to.
We left messages for the Ottawa County Clerk and Ottawa County's attorney today. They have not yet gotten back to us this evening. Attorneys for Juan and Juana Doe say they plan to serve papers to the Ottawa County Clerk tomorrow.